All right, we got the miniature ashtray. You can use it for cigarettes. He's smoking the weed. I love this ashtray. Not only just the way that it looks and it feels, it's easy to clean, but it's got an alien smoking weed on it. And not only do I believe in aliens, I also believe that humans are some sort of alien animal hybrid. So not only do I believe in aliens, I believe that we are part alien, but we're also part animal. So it's a little weird, but that's just what I believe. And I'm not stoned right now, but this is amazing. If you want to get stoned and you want to think about aliens and you want to think about, did they create us? Did they hybridize us with animals? What is going on in the world? Who is God? Is there a God? Does God exist? Is God an alien? You know, these are good things to think about, and this will help spawn those thoughts and it will open your mind. So highly recommend this ashtray to anyone, even if you don't smoke weed. This is an amazing ashtray.